Folks got that joint on. They on some whole shit. They in the car, what they doing? Feel me, candy camera. Oh, bro, they fucking up the party. What's going on, YouTube, man? It's your boy lTraysavagel back with another one. I mean, SG gang. That's what I should be calling y'all from now on, man. But I'm starting this little car vlog at the little bit of, not last minute, but I ain't started doing it today, but I try to make it a little bit 30 minutes, a little bit short for y'all. It's a Friday, you feel me? Finna go up to this little Carmeet at Crunch, see who all up here, and get some good content for y'all, you feel me? It's gonna be an every Friday thing, though, you feel me? So I'm finna go ahead up here. My boy Rico supposed to be popping out. I hope my boy pop out. I ain't even gonna hold you. My boy Rico need to pop out. I ain't even gonna lie. But I need him to go ahead and give me some videos so I go ahead and do something with it. I'm gonna do something with it today for sure. We go on the other side and we go record something, you feel me? And I'm gonna put a TikTok together and yeah, my boy gonna get me straight. He got the angles. I ain't even gonna lie to you, but my boy need to pop out though. But yeah though, man, I'm finna go ahead. We finna start this comp. I'm really trying to depend on what light setup I'm finna go with. You feel me? As y'all can tell, ain't no LEDs in here. It's just light right here. This light bright as hell. So don't man, the car a little bit dirty and everything, but I gotta clean all that up. I am gonna throw LEDs in here. I just don't know when. But go get to that. Stay tuned. But yeah though, man, I'm gonna catch y'all when I get up here at this meet. I'm gonna talk to my boy Rico, see where he at, where he's sliding with it. But yeah though, man, I'm gonna catch y'all when I get up there. Yo, folks out here at the meet. I ain't gonna hold you. The wind blowing a little bit. I'm trying to cover y'all up. My boy Rico out here in the cut. Bro, you see my boy in the back? On me. There you go. We out here. Oh yeah, folks got the Tahoe out this bro. They got something decent on, bro. You say what? You can't get in your car. You got your key? Yeah. But it's only on this side, huh? Nah, you can't get in that bitch. I'm gonna say you going through the trunk. I'm gonna say, oh yeah, folks, just we good. On me, alright. Wait, we gonna get in that bitch one way or another on me. You feel me? But yeah though, man, we out here in the meet. Boy, we go to cut. Oh no, we got the wind blowing. I don't know if it's gonna mess up too much, but the police out here being bitches. Oh no, they just hit that U-turn. They got up out of here. He gone? Yeah. I seen he got up out of here. That's probably what he really trying to do. He is? Yeah, he ain't no shit. But let me show y'all these cars though. Enough for me. Show y'all these nice little cars. But this ain't not really too nice. But the nice, well, that's something decent. Oh, my boy Rico like this. You like this, my boy? Oh, me. Oh yeah, he got the other way. Oh yeah. Let me do a walk around. Bro, it's like this joint. And this bitch foreign. It's on the other side. It ain't no regular car. Oh,
it's sweet. What is it? It's a Mark II. Toyota. Yeah.
Oh, bro.
This so nice.
Oh, me. I see. I ain't the motherfucker on the other side of the car. Oh, me. That bitch is tough. We're around this bitch. We got something over here. Oh, bro. They got some shit.
Women over there.
I don't even know. They got the hood up or something.
We'll find out.
Come on, let's see what they got in there. Hold on. This ain't never the Equinox, something like that. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, he got the $10.
Yeah, no, I'm finna be on.
Oh yeah, he went on the other side. Never they on shit like that. Oh yeah, this for the vlog. We need to go over there. Come on. I ain't gonna lie. Yeah, I ain't gonna lie. Hold on. We finna see what they talking about. Huh? Yeah. Man, fuck them. Oh, you want to throw that bitch in my car if you over the hell then?
I'm put that bitch in the truck.
Alright, come on, hold on. I'm gonna like that bitch.
Put that bitch in the big.
Oh, bitch. They definitely over there tripping, bro. Wait. Hold on. Let me get this bitch out here. They talking about the.
Everybody leaving now.
You feel me? They fucking up the meat, bro.
Cause we playing music.
This bitch was just lit, and that SS just left, bro. That SS was over there popping, bro. The police just. But this bitch decent. We finna go see what they talking about over there, bro. They ain't never just made. They just made my man turn his music off. G, we finna go check it out. You say what? What happened?
Yo, I got no.
What? What you talking about, my boy?
You gotta cut this out.
What?
Yo,
It's
the pipe.
Oh, man. No, you know, man. Fuck that. Yeah, I had to pipe right in this bay on some whole shit. They in the car? What they doing? What they talking about over here?
Hey, what they pull up for, y'all? Y'all know why they pulled up? Yeah, they pulled for the music.
They gave him a ticket or something?
Yeah. They gonna give him a ticket.
They some bitches.
I pulled out in the park way down there.
I'll slash his tires out.
No, don't do that, bro.
I'm gonna say you ain't wet. That folks ain't wet out here. Never.
Even though I'm licensed to carry, I still put my gun up.
Yeah, cause you ain't know what they bitch are. They out here on some bullshit. Police, bro. They ass talking about some.
Playing the music though. That mother was loud.
Right here.
It was.
And it's that blue car right there, ain't it? Oh, bro, that bitch is definitely. Oh yeah, they definitely over there too with they bitch ass. They right here. Yeah, that blue joint. Oh, bro. He definitely got some shit over there. And they over there talking to him and shit. But in the meantime, he go be on his ass next. Bro, they have some hoes. Oh yeah, definitely is. Look at they bitch ass. It look like somebody used to mess with his ass, his big head ass. He got a peanut ass head. Head weird as hell. Hey, you ain't lying. That motherfucker like they was like Stewie brother or something.
What's the dog name?
Brian on me. His ass like Brian on me.
They just pulled up because Buddy was playing the music.
Yeah, they fucked up the whole meat, bro. Ain't gonna lie, they got the two yellow things back to back. That look good. Get back on these dickheads. They didn't fuck the meat up, bro. I walked around this joint, but I ain't walk around. But I knew everybody was gonna make a grand finale leaving.
I just think it's funny how everybody like out of here type shit.
Yeah, bro.
That shit funny as fuck.
Look at the yellow joints on, bro. On me, I ain't gonna lie, back to back like this, yes sir. This shit look good. This look like a thumbnail on me. Oh yeah. We still got some shit out here though. They just messed up the meat, bro. I ain't gonna lie, and there was some females out here a little bit. I ain't even gonna hold you, but they just messed everything up. We got something decent.
What a night.
You feel me, bro? I thought we was finna be teed up.
Man, the police done ruined everybody.
Bro, they just fucked up the day, bro. I ain't even gonna hold you. Look, hey, they bugging up with him though, low key. Whoever on that bike, but they ain't catching that bike though. You heard me? They ain't go. Yeah, that was they ain't catching him on that bike. Oh, bitch.
They gave him a ticket for his music.
Yeah. They some bitches, bro. Real live.
Man, that's fucked up.
If everybody had their music on, they ain't gonna give everybody a ticket.
They
Fuck
don't
they
love
talking
us
about.
no more.
You feel me? They bitch ass on. That's why we don't like their ass now. Oh. This bitch coming through. Let's see what my Mexican friends got over here. On me.
Don't get that thing on camera.
Which one? I know, we still gonna get my boy on now. What they talking about? Stop playing. Most motherfuckers can't even get this. Don't put I thought you gonna put that wash me on there. What would you put on there, LG? He say dirty. First say dirty black. He got the dirty black on that joint on me. But that bitch still clear. Tell him stop playing with him. Most of y'all can't even get them rims. What you talking about?
Low truck.
Oh, these bitches low. I think he finna get up out of them. Yeah. Oh, bro, he talking that Mexicano. This bitch right here nice. Oh, bro. Yeah. Got a Hemi in that bitch. What that is? Oh yeah, folks said I did that on me. He said I did that. Oh.
They be putting the stickies on the bag.
Yeah. Throw something in the backpack.
Yeah, I like to sit around the truck.
On me. My friend Hector, he got a silver. I think I forgot a ram. He got like that. Say what? Oh me, I'd say this bitch lace. Oh me. Yeah, hey, you always need that one little Mexican name or something. Oh me.
Goddamn no.
Hey, mama call him Hectorine. You know what I mean? You gotta roll the tongue with that bitch. Yeah, this bitch tough. Oh me. With our brush joints. Hey, you got some shit over here too on me. Is this the joint? This not the joint Jalen was talking about, is it? Is it?
Oh.
Hey Jalen, I think your car here, my boy.
It is. This is the one, bro.
Yeah.
This shit.
He say 6. He say 6 and it's yours. Hey Key better come get it, boy. You better do something, boy.
Goddamn, what this on?
Oh man. Oh yeah, Jelly, you need to come get this, bro.
In person too.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Man, look. I don't even want to pull up the price.
Hey, he said he wants 6 for that. Yeah. He say 6 of them, say 6 bands, he can have it on me.
A lot of Jamaicans around here. I love it.
Yeah. Yeah, though, man. I see the police finally trying to leave. But they don't know where they are going to be at in the cut. I ain't even going to turn my lights on how I'm supposed to. There you go, shorty. I mean. Yeah. Well, it sound like the little bit of the Marino. But this shit sound high.
Equinox, bro.
Yeah, Equinox, so big.
That's an economy family / grocery getter.
You feel me? This bitch, they got this little lined up nice with the back window share. Yeah, the windows we got them bitches. Ain't about. Yeah. That's all I wanted to do. If I get something like this, I'll do that to her.
You gay?
You say, yeah, hey, somebody. Damn, my boy, he said you gay, bro. Other side too. Hold on, what he do to the other side? Hold on. Oh, they put the thing. Oh. Hey, they go. Hey, hey, YouTube. Hey, I said I don't know how y'all kids shit work, but they were VG, but they petty. But my boy, you need to go ahead and get this bitch cleaned up. You feel me?
I'll get it washed.
Yeah, feel me?
Go over and see what they got going.
On me, let's see what they. Yeah. Look at they whole ass. We gonna put their ass on film. Fuck you talking about? Feel me? Candy camera. Oh, bro, they fucking up the party. What they got going on? Hold on, I gotta get my shit back right though. I don't got shit for y'all. Bro. Yeah, though, man. They just messed up the party. Look how dead this bitch is now.
Real, it was lit.
It was just lit. I think James Park got up out of here too, for real.
I didn't even see that, man.
Yeah, he was up here with his people. That just made me mad, for real, boy. That would just come up here and shut the. Yeah, these just for her.
Nice and simple.
They just came up here and shut the party down.
They shut the whole party down.
Shut this bitch. Damn. It was cars up there. But they end up leaving too because of the fuck ass popo.
Please.
But yeah though, man.
I look, you wanna ask buddy how much the ticket was. For real.
We finna still probably walk around this joint. Finna get with y'all though. This bitch dumb. This bitch dark. They got the whole dark line up right here though. Yeah. Oh yeah. I know he getting pulled over in this. Bro, I am not fitting in this car, bro. Oh me. Oh yeah, I'm already knowing it. My leg didn't just line so you feel me? This bitch tough.
Bro, I want to. Yeah.
We go record. Hold on. That bitch swinging. Stop playing, shorty. Hold on. Oh, that ain't you, is it? That's you? Oh yeah, I knew all about. Would it be like? Is it like? Oh.
Everybody tell me I'm tall, nigga.
Oh, hey, see, it be like, bro. I'm out there hooping, bro. It's a dude out there. He say, He said, I'm like, how old you is? No, he said, how old you is, bro? I'm like 22. He's like, I'm 15, bro. Tall as me, bro. I'm like this little bit. I'm like, boy, your ass ain't no 15. Like looking up at him, bro. I'm like, yeah. Yes, sir. Tell him get up out of that Ed 12 trying to get him. OB, hold on. Where?
Boy, he got out of there.
Oh yeah, he did get up out of there. Where'd he go? You feel look, he's sad now. So sad. What the fuck you talking about? Trying to get up out of there.
Hey, you kind of cool though. You could chase him down.
Man, he would have been petty if he did that.
Yeah, he could have
Bro's got that joint on. You know what I mean? He'll be toying with that motherfucker or something.